Why not?
My favorite photos when I'm low. Where did all these moments go? Where they go? I see my whole life just pass by. When did I die? I'll do anything to have it right back. I see all my favorite photos when I'm low. Where did all these moments go? Where they go? I see my whole life just pass by. When did I die?
Weather is wind cloudy and a bit of rain.
I see all these moments pass, waving by. I see all these moments pass. Yeah, I see all these moments pass, waving by. Oh my, waving by.
I just love the
I'm
mountains.
feeling
Man.
so blessed. Oh my, 100,000 on the wrist.
Oh, there, hey. Oh, definitely, bro. Of course. Wow. Okay, try to catch some bayfish for a live rig. Let's try, hey.
오, 그러면 좋다.
어?
좋다.
이게 그거야. bayfish 잡는 거요.
와우.
It's like a green tusky.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah. With the sabiki rig,
Flash on.
I'm prawing on, butter brim. See you later, buddy. What is it? Nice. Oh, that's so 좀 더 크다. It's a bit bigger than that's a tarwine. That's not a yellowfin. That's a tarwine. That one.
Okay.
Very nice, yeah.
Nice.
거기 말고 a bit above the valley here.
여기?
Go here. 예, 여기.
Do you want a photo though?
근데 그렇게 더.
sorry. Anyway.
어때서요?
Yeah.
잡았어. 나이스. 괜찮아. Oh, Brimbo. Tiny one, but it's got some strength for a tiny fella. There you go. See you, buddy. Oh, bro. You got a trumpeter.
Well, you did everything, so.
Nah, it's alright, mate. Let's get that into the water. Weather is wind cloudy and a bit of rain. Alright, what are you gonna catch today, bro?
Everything.
What about you, Johnny? Let's get it! Bring your back, mate. Good, male and female. John, you got the pliers there?
Nah, they're not either.
Cheers, bro.
Because I knew you would need those.
Yeah, oh, definitely. We need the scissors and pliers. For sure. Beautiful. See you, bud. So there, what do you call it? Oh, what do you say? Far out. Look at the spines, man. Whew.
Yeah, look at that.
Far out.
That would hurt. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, that would hurt.
Use a glove.
Snap boy!
Hey.
Let's get it.
Camera.
So it doesn't die. Just get it closer to the camera, Robs. Yeah. Snapper.
Hey! Another one.
Whee! Yeah, good.
Different colour. Different colourway.
Yeah, but same pinky, eh? Oi. Film that too. Calm down. Okay, calm down.
Yep. Fuck this.
There we go, buddy. Calm down, buddy. Yeah, you gotta grab it here. That way you get the best grip.
Portrait. That's all portrait mode. This one.
What is this?
The fuck?
Is that that's not a cod?
Yeah. Yeah, Steve's looking for it on the. Oh.
Yeah, what is that?
Color.
That is beautiful though.
Dude. I want to see the color.
Yeah, that color is beautiful, eh?
What is it?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Is that like a brother of the one we put?
Yeah, that's what I'm reckon. That's what I reckon, eh, bro? Like,
Tiny, bro.
oh man. When you hear the real scream, that's a, might be a stingray though. Who knows? Oh shit!
This is a proper good fish.
Yeah. Oh, it's fighting. It's fighting. Look at that. Might be a stingray. It's gone to the bottom.
Come on, son. Oh, okay, that's definitely a stingray.
Yeah, that's a stingray for sure. For sure. Let's see. I gotta tire it out. Get the dog! Get the damn dog, eh?
You're recording on GoPro,
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my
Look at
God. Are you with a strong, is that a strong?
Nah, this is my light rod. But it should be alright. It's a good reel, this one.
If it's stingray, do not.
Oh,
What
I
the
think it's a
fuck?
stingray.
Oh, what the fuck?
Got it.
Oh.
Woo! What a fight. Bloody hell. Oh.
Okay.
Gosh.
Do not let it in the boat. Need the net.
Give me
Wait,
the give me the bar. Oh no, I won't get in. I won't bring it in. Wow, shit. Yeah, give me the pliers. Robsy. Look at that. Oh, give us a good fight. Because it's better on the because it's on the light rod. Give me a better fight.
Careful.
Might just cut it off.
Oh, wait.
You got scissors? Anywhere there? Or is it behind me? Oh shit.
Here we go.
Cheers. Is that yours, eh? Oh, it's all good. Snapped off by.
But then they'll put themselves under a different name. Reversal.
Is that where? Yeah. Hoi! Right here. Far out. What a good place. Oh,
I'm gonna dip my feet in it.
대박. Now is the time to catch a fish. It's the tiniest flathead. A similar one. Tiniest flathead I've ever caught. Oh, and I have my stuck around. Oh, it's still on. Shit. Oh. Oh. Maybe right. I'm not sure. Fella, it's like it's doing a smiley face if you look at it from the top.
Little do we know, it's just screaming. Ah!
Yes. I think it's another stingray far out. Freaking. I don't know though. Must be the rocks, bro.
No, it was moving.
Oh shit, whatever. I think it's another ray I got.
It's the same thing.
Oh shit, it's pulling a bit, hey.
Ray shovel nose flatty.
Oh, I wish it's a flatty, but I don't think so. That's, I see it, it's a small ray. Small ray, look at that again. Another bloody ray. Oh, look at that, it's just like, oh my gosh. Did I? Oh, lovely. Bloody lovely, hey. It's a slightly bigger one. That got some meat on there. Hey.
좀 위험해.
Oh shit, that got some meat on there.
좀 위험해.
Oh wow. Woo. That's right. The one last cast always works. At least one person.
And those thoughts setting.
Oh shit. It's not
That's
even
when I
my.
start to wonder,
It's a.
where do I fit in? But then you remind me that you're holding me tight. You say the past is behind me, and it'll be alright.